Hello, in this lecture we will take a look at the probably most simple element of Xamarin Forms, but as well the most useful element, and you guessed it right, it is the button. Okay, so we will take a quick look at the button. There's not much to do with it, but it's important to understand the event, the main event, which is the click event. Okay, so to establish a button, you need to go to main page. That is main page in the main collection. Okay, right here. It's not in the Android. It's not in UWP. It's in the main one. Okay, let's go to main page. Just like that, and as you can see, as usual, you have something placed already. Now let's change it, and let's get to some buttons. So you go to the toolbox. For everything, for every control, you need to go to the toolbox and you need to drag and drop it. Unfortunately, there is no drag and drop function for the editor. Okay, so if we split it, we will be able to see the actual editor, but we won't be able to get anything out of it. Okay, so getting back to it, we have this button, and we can wait for it to load. We can also put in some text. Okay, so this is our button. So let's call it test button. Okay, test button, just like that. We have our test button, as you can clearly see. Okay, we have it ready, and now let's take a look at the event, at the main event of it, and that would be clicked. Okay, so it's not on click, it's not click, it's clicked. The event is clicked. Okay, so let's do equals and let's do enter, and we get our click event. Okay, so if we now go to .xaml.cs rather, okay, we get here and we have the method for that event. Okay, so what we get here is the actual object. Okay, so that specific button, as well as some of the event arguments. Okay, so if we go to the event arguments, let's see what we get. We get really nothing because the button doesn't really provide any real event arguments. Okay, now let's get back here, and let's see what we have here. So you can see we have all these general ones like binding context changed, doesn't matter at this point. And then you have child added, obviously you're not going to use that. And basically, as you can see, there's not much here at all. And when it comes to the button, you basically just want to stick with the button clicked. Okay, clicked, that's it. Now let's display a little alert.